To replace your ABS wheel speed sensors, you're going to start by safely lifting and supporting the vehicle and removing the wheels. If you need additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Starting on the front wheels, the speed sensor, red arrow, is located on the rear of the bearing housing by the tie rod. Begin by removing the electrical connection from the sensor. Next, use a 5mm Allen and remove the bolt holding the sensor in place as indicated by the red arrow. It is torqued on at a very low value but may be corroded, so make sure you have the Allen seated well before loosening. You do not want to strip this bolt. The bolt securing the sensor is also micro-encapsulated, so if you're reusing it, you should clean it up and use a little blue Loctite when reinstalling it. Use your hands and wiggle the old sensor out from the mount. Clean the mounting area, red arrow. Install the new sensor with a thin coat of high temperature grease to the ABS sensor and housing. Install the fasteners and tighten. Make sure the sensor clears the toothed ring gear, yellow arrow. On the rear of the car, the speed sensor is located on the upper section of the trailing arm. Remove the electrical connection from the sensor. Next, use the 5mm Allen again and remove the bolt holding the sensor in place. Again, it is torqued very low, but make sure the Allen sits correctly. You do not want to strip this bolt, and if reusing it, clean it up and use a little blue Loctite. Again, use your hands and simply wiggle the old sensor out from its mount. Clean the mounting area, red arrow, of any rust, grime, or debris. Install the new sensor with a thin coating of high temperature grease to the ABS sensor and the housing. Install the fastener and tighten it. Make sure the sensor clears the tooth ring gear, and you are done. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.